In this video, we're going to go over installing toe plates. So there's two different ones that we have. One is the beam toe plate, so that goes along the side of the beam. The other one is an end toe plate, which goes on the end of the platform. These come stock at 72 inches long, so they would go on the 72-inch long beam. If for some reason you need to put it on a shorter piece, you're just going to have to cut it yourself on site. So to get it started, kind of wedge it between the rib here and the tile that's already installed. So just take a mallet and you're just going to kind of work your way down the platform just like this. Done. On the end one, we're going to take these carriage bolts. We're going to lift the platform up and slide them in like that. We're going to do that on all three of the legs. Okay, so now I'm going to take the carriage bolt, I'm going to slide it up to the top, starting on one side, and just get the nut started. And I'm going to work my way down to the next one. And do the same thing. And then the next one. Now if you were doing a wider platform than just 36 inches like this one, you just overlap them right here and just continue going. If you're doing a narrower one, an 18-inch one, you would just cut this right here before putting it on. And so now all I'm going to do is tighten these bolts, these nuts down on the bolts. And we're done.